Hi there, Daven Michaels, author of the book Outsource This and founder of 123 Employee, the premier staffing center in the Philippines, welcoming you back to lesson number 2 in our 5-part marketing series. Alright, so yesterday we talked about list building and why it's so important for your business. And today we're going to talk about a great way to build that list, and that is article marketing. For those of you that don't know what article marketing is, it's creating short content articles anywhere from 300 to 500 words and then getting those out all over the web. Now, this is something that you can do. You can have somebody in your office do, or you can easily have an outsourced virtual assistant do for you. All right, so let's talk about, first of all, what these articles do for you. Why is it great for your business? Well, first of all, having articles all over the web show you as sort of a preeminent expert in your field. Absolutely. When people go to Google and they type in your name and they see article after article from this expert writer and it happens to be you, will that build credibility for you? Yes. Will that bring more eyeballs to your website? Absolutely. Now, what else does it achieve? Well, it gets you valuable link backs, and that's because in each article it has links linking back to your website, and this is key because this brings you up in the search rankings. In addition to that, remember, when you have these articles out all over the web, people actually are allowed to copy these articles and put the content on their website. And the only rule in place is that they have to have a link back to you. Once again, more valuable link backs. Okay, so we know that we can create the articles either ourselves or in our office or have an outsourced VA do it for you, right? Now, once they're done, how do we get them out? How do we make sure they get all over the web? Well, two ways really. One is we use article aggregation software. And this is a software that your virtual assistant or you can run and send it out to multiple different places. In addition to that, we can take that information and we can repurpose it on blogs. We can repurpose it on Squidoo lenses. We can turn it into Facebook notes. We can even chop it up and put it into Twitter tweets. Okay? So now we have this out. We put it out through all the different article aggregators. This gets us out to the thousands of article directories that there are all over the web. But also remember, we have 350 employees. We know how this works. We know what works and what doesn't because we see it all day long. We have an eyeball into the web that most people don't have. We get to sort of peek behind the curtains. And what we also know is there's about 10 article sites that are the most important, that are going to get you the most amount of link backs, that are going to get you the most amount of clicks back to your website. And so those we actually post to manually. And we can show you how to do all that as well, or your 123 employee can do that also. Just so you know, I'll tell you today what my favorite one is. My favorite is Ezine Articles. Okay, if you go to Ezine, you'll see hundreds and hundreds of articles from me, and also from many other expert authors. Alright, so today we covered article marketing, how it can bring tons of traffic to your business. Also, one more thing I forgot to tell you. Remember, this doesn't cost you money. Once they're there, you're not paying for like pay-per-click or anything like that. They're going to be there, and they're there forever. Those articles don't disappear. Nobody's deleting them. So you can see as over time, as you build more and more of these articles up, it's just more link backs, more attention to your site, more hits. People come to your website, they like it, they build rapport with you, they opt in, and then they begin receiving emails from you, which eventually lead to the sale. Okay, so that's article marketing. By the way, there's one more thing I forgot, and that is there's one other way to create articles besides using a virtual assistant, and that is taking videos and having them transcribed into articles. So that kind of brings us to the topic of lesson 3, which is coming up tomorrow, and that's going to be on video marketing. And I promise you, you're going to learn a lot about video marketing. There's a ton that you don't know. So be here with me tomorrow. We'll see you then, and tomorrow we'll be talking about video marketing. Until then, I'm Daven Michaels. Thanks for watching.